Now we are entering into the next important topic, which is nothing but ecological pyramid. So we know very well the ecological pyramids are illustrating the amount of the ADP produced and the amount of biomass produced, right? If you're talking about the ecological pyramid, in this case, the four autotrophic species are very, very important, right? So in this zone, plants are growing much more. In this place, fodder of herbivorous animals, carnivorous animal, and then produces, right? So, so here, if you're seeing the top produces means the algae which is growing at the top water medium, right? So this is the way you're remembering the concept, right? Um, in the ecological pyramid, the biomass, energy, everything is keeping on reduced for each and every important segment. If you're moving from this to this, if you're moving from this to this, if you're moving from this to this, obviously the amount of energy, amount of biomass content is keeping on getting reduced because each and every species are using those utilized energy, utilized biomass for their own survival, right? So now we are entering into the next important concept in the ecological pyramid. Calmly, you listen to me. Can you see these pyramids of various type, the pyramids of numbers, biomass, and energy? In this, what we need to understand is the algae. Each and every square or each and every rectangle denotes indirectly the amount of um, the area inside the each and every box is directly proportional to population size. Is directly proportional to population size. So in this pyramid, so you can see this the algae. Uh, Algae is taken by krill, is taken by penguin, is taken by leopard, seal, right? But the concept is not same if you're talking about the biomass pyramid, right? So the algae, by eating much more the krills, okay, the weight is increasing. The weight is increasing. The weight is increasing in the case of biomass pyramid. The reason behind that is um, here by utilizing less amount of algae, krill utilizes. Why? Because it takes the nutrients from the other resources as well. That is a hidden meaning of that. Okay, it is not only depending on the plant material for its survival, it takes the other inorganic material as well from the other resource. That is the reason why the weight is increased in this particular area. The weight is increased than the intake, right? So I think so you understood this. All the varieties of pyramids we narrated with beautiful explanation. And one more important information relevant to the pyramids. Can you see this? In each and every area, while moving from one box to other box, can you see this? From one area to other box, the energy is keeping on reducing. Okay, why? Because of the maintenance purpose, right? So this is about the classic information about the ecological pyramids. Now, before entering into the 13th chapter for tomorrow's session, I need to discuss with you with few questions. What is the base of the ecological pyramid represents? Of course, producers. Okay, of course, producers is a beautiful example of this. And then we are coming for the next question. Explanation is um, in this, what is shape of ecological pyramid in terms of number and biomass ecosystem? Okay, here we know very well upright structure. Yes or no, we saw upright structure. Now only in the presentation I shown to you the upright structure. Not spherical, not inverted, not cylindrical. But of course we saw the inverted. Okay, of course we saw the inverted in the ecological pyramid of biomass. Ecological pyramid of biomass with certain examples, right? Now we are entering into the answer is upright that we already narrated for you. And for the which type of ecological pyramid always maintains an upright structure and cannot be connected. So, so pyramid of energy always maintains an upright structure due to the loss of energy, due to the loss of energy, right? This is the answer we need to understand.